Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make avocado night cream at home. This natural, hydrating cream is perfect for nourishing your skin overnight. We'll use fresh avocado, known for its beneficial vitamins and healthy fats, combined with other simple ingredients. You'll be amazed at how easy it is to create a luxurious homemade skincare product that leaves your skin feeling soft and rejuvenated. Let's get started on this simple, step-by-step process. To begin, gather your ingredients. You'll need half of a ripe avocado, which is packed with skin-loving vitamins E and C. Next, grab 1 tablespoon of almond oil. It's fantastic for deep hydration. Finally, have 1 teaspoon of pure aloe vera gel ready. This ingredient helps to soothe and calm your skin. These 3 simple items are all you need for your homemade night cream. If you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and give it a like. Your support means a lot. On another note, for those who love to unwind with a good book, I highly recommend the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading anywhere, even in bed without straining your eyes. Check the description below for a link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Now, let's mix our cream. First, take your half avocado and mash it thoroughly in a small bowl until it's completely smooth and free of lumps. A fork works perfectly for this. Next, add the 1 tablespoon of almond oil to the mashed avocado. Stir these 2 ingredients together until they are well combined. Finally, mix in the 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel, ensuring everything is blended into a consistent, creamy texture. Applying your new night cream is easy. Before bed, cleanse your face thoroughly, then apply a thin, even layer of the avocado cream. Gently massage it into your skin using upward, circular motions. Allow it to absorb overnight. For storage, keep your homemade cream in an airtight container in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh and effective for about 3 to 5 days, so make small batches.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.